Okay guys, so we are back again. So now this is the SRT, right? So SRT State Railway of Thailand. Oh, okay. So I just want to have a review on the railway over here, the Thailand railway. So okay, so now it opens, then I need to go. That was so fast. Yeah, so this is how the ticket looks like. The hell? Okay. Okay guys, so we're heading to the train or the metro. Let's see how it looks like. Since I've been in Qatar for quite some time now, let's see if I know maybe it will be too bad for me to compare the train over here to Qatar. Because for Qatar's train, it's a top notch, it's a first class.
We go Bangsi, another way we go Langsi.
Okay.
So
We go this way, right?
Bangsi.
Okay. Okay guys, follow us. Let's see how the train looks like. How much was the ticket?
33.
33 baht. Okay.
It's like 3 riyal.
This is like 3 riyals in Qatar. 33 baht. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and that's the airport. Ah. So there's a train master here to guide people because this is definitely not safe. Because that is one thing that I would give to Qatar because it's super safe. But, you don't even have to see the rails because it's in a glass. And, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it's here. Man, it's fast. I'll get a seat for you, okay? Ooh la la. So we're just gonna sit right here. Okay. Guys, honestly, there is nothing fancy about this train. Just that you have the city view. Because you have the train on top of the city. That is the only thing that makes it so nice. And I think that's all. But also they have an underground one. So actually we're gonna go to the last stop there and we'll just have to switch to the. So we are approaching our drop off now. The reason why everyone is strapped up, everyone is ready to go out, to get out of the train, because when it opens, it doesn't even stay more than 1 minute. So if you're not that fast, you just miss out and then you'll be stuck. You have to go to the next train station. Okay, so everyone is ready to go out. Okay, let's go. That's the train master. Okay, so we are out. Man, it's hot. So we're going underground, right? Okay, so we need to look for the underground train. I need to take off my glasses because it's almost dark in here and I can't see shit. Okay. Oh, so we need to drop it in here. There you go. Oh, fast. Yeah. Man, this is crazy. It's so different from the other ones that I've seen. But yeah, so we need to change from the red line to the blue line, right? Yes. Okay, so this is the MRTA. What does that even mean? MRTA. So we need to go down to the underground subway. Oh, that's a lot of people. We need to go through this. Joining the subway, we had to buy another coin. It's like another access card or property of MRTA. So we just bought that one and finally we are in the subway. So let's see how this one also looks. Man, it's hot down here. You can see they have fans all over the place. Not even an AC.
สารโปรดทราบ สถานีศูนย์สิริกิติ์ศูนย์สิริกิติ์โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าว
So the train is here and it's full. It's full. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, it's not bad. So we need to stand apparently. Too bad for us. We need to stand, we don't have a choice. But yeah, I need to be honest, people in Thailand are so nice, so nice. Very nice. No one is even bothered. Because in some places, people wouldn't want to be in your camera and all of that. So I feel like they are very nice people. Okay, so we are here at our destination. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Samanika in Hue Kwan. So we are here at Hue Kwan. I don't know where exactly we're going, but yeah, so we need to climb upstairs. And yeah, so I think that will be the review on the metro or the metro station in Bangkok so far. So I don't know if they have anything else up there, but if they don't have anything up there, then I think this will be the end of today's video. If not, oh, let me see. So we need to check out, we need to Samani Kwan. Ah, okay, so I'm beginning to feel like I'm exhausted, I'm tired, because you know, we didn't have enough sleep last night. We had flights going on like 11 a.m. this morning, but we got to the airport like 8 a.m. and our flight came in 11:30, 35 thereabouts. So it was late. It was so late. So you know. Yeah, and I love this airport. Did I say airport? I love this country. There are shops all over the place. There are shops all over the place. I mean supermarket, so you can buy fast food and all of that. So let's see. Okay, so here we need to drop this in here. Then it opens. Then you go through. I like that. I like the way you need to drop the coin, then. Okay, so we are upstairs. Bangkok, here we go.
Let me check.
So now we are in Bangkok. There's nothing too different about Bangkok and Phuket. I mean, aside from it being in the same country, just like cities, but things the same. The culture, the mottos, the food, nothing has really changed. It's still, I mean, nothing is different. Everything is still the same. Yeah, man.